up, guys? SD Outdoors here. We're at Vogel State Park here in North Georgia. We're about to hit the trail. Let's get hiking. Alright guys, so we've never been in the John B. Durden Civilian, the CCC Museum. Let's go check it out. Look at that turkey leg. We got lunch. Alright guys, very rare occurrence. We have all 5 of us actually out here at Vogel State Park. You guys might remember Tall's here, now living up to his name, almost bigger than me. So we're about to hit the trail here. We're gonna do the loop around the lake. Got the rest of us here. All right, let's get hiking. Here we are. We're on the Trahlyta Lake Trail. Yeah, run cannonball. $13. You can keep this $10. $20, one cannonball. 100, we have a deal. Well guys, this is a very easy hike, very short to get to the falls here. We're almost there. Here we are. Alright guys, very nice easy hike. There's only 2 flights of stairs here. Excellent spot. This is a nice peaceful day for us. We're not doing a whole lot of hiking. We just came up on a whim. We actually did the first weekend that we've all been together and have not had sports in, I honestly can't even think of when. It's been so long. We have Talls is in 2 baseball teams right now. Little Miss Snack Pack is doing tumbling. Mediums is in football. Both boys play basketball. So it's just busy. What do we have here? Little Mermaid. Slip and slide. Pledge allegiance to his butt, the United States of America. Alright guys, you can see right there's the beach. That's where we are parked. And there's the visitor center. So we're coming back around. It is a loop. And you see you're walking along the road. This is the road when you enter the park. Again, it's a very easy hike.
Hey! What you doing on my lawn? Get off!
Alright guys, we are done here. We got the kids down here at the playground. They got a little exercise area here. I guess they didn't get enough done while we were on trail, so they're down there working out. But we are done here, guys. We're gonna head out, maybe head up to Blood Mountain, hit the mountain crossing store. If you have not yet, please click subscribe, click like, click the bell for notifications for upcoming videos, and we'll see you on the next one. And for now, S&T, peace out.